In the final step of our tutorial, we will use a Node client to connect to the node and call the service that we just created. For this demonstration, we're going to use Node Client Lite 2, which is a free Node client utility that allows for connecting to nodes and submitting data or performing queries. We'll connect to the node, and next we'll need to set up the service. This is a one-time operation in Node Client Lite 2. This way, Node Client Lite is capable of remembering the service for future use. We'll do this by going to the My Preferences area of the application and selecting Services, and we scroll to the bottom of the Data Services list. We put the data flow name, which in this case is Beach Demo, and the service name, which is Get Beach by Beach Name or Water Body Name. So the service has been added. It's automatically sorted alphabetically. We'll select the service, and we will add the parameters that the service expects. In this case, beach name, and the second parameter is water body name. In fact, beach name is not required, so we can uncheck that. And with that, Node Client 2 is ready to call the service. Next, we'll go to the Get Data option. The data flow Beach Demo should now be available in the list. The service has already been set up, so it pre-populates the form, asking me for the parameters I want to provide. In this case, let's try to query our service. We know we have two beaches in the database. One is named Traverse City Park Beach, so we will search for a beach name that contains the word Traverse. This is a query, and we're all set to go, so we can hit Submit. Node Client Lite will now attempt to call the service and retrieve the data. And we are successful. We did get a file back. We can now go to the top of the screen and hit Open. And it's going to load XML Spy. And sure enough, we get an XML file back. Traverse City Park Beach is returned. Notice that this is the only beach that is returned, since it's the only one that met our criteria. All right, we'll try one more. We'll go back to the query form, and we'll search for any beach that contains the word lake in the water body name. And in this case, we'll expect to get two beaches back. Both beaches in the sample database contain the word lake in their water body name. In this case, we have XML Spy, which we're using to examine our results. And sure enough, we have Thompson Park as the first beach returned. And we have the advisories for Thompson Park Beach listed here. And our second beach is here as well, Traverse City Park Beach. Okay, this concludes the tutorial. Thank you, and good luck using MapForce developing plugins.